Hello everyone, my name is Alcindor C. Perez Jr. from BSIT 1B, and I'm here to talk about HIV and AIDS advocacy campaign entitled with Explore with Cautious, Not with Risk. So I'm here to talk about symptoms, origin, history, and more. What is HIV and AIDS? So HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus, and basically it's the virus that causes AIDS, or also known as Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. Next, AIDS is the most advanced stage of HIV infection, where the immune system is severely weakened, making the body vulnerable for infections. So, HIV originated in Central and West Africa from the interaction between humans and chimpanzees, with the first identical case in 1920s. So the first case of AIDS were recognized in 1981, with the virus responsible, which is HIV, being identified in 1983. And HIV spread globally due to factors like urbanization, international travels, and changing sexual practices. Now we have the symptoms. So for the first few weeks with HIV infection, they might not show any symptoms, and some they might show a fever, headache, rash, or sore throat. So next, when the infection progressively weakens the immune system, the symptom now is swollen lymph nodes, weight loss, fever, diarrhea, and cough. So now with the people with HIV infection without treatment, they will now show the symptoms of tuberculosis and severe bacterial infections or cancers such as lymphomas and Kaposi's sarcoma. For the early treatments were limited, but the development of antiretroviral therapy, or also known as ART, has significantly improved the lives of people living with HIV, allowing them to live long and healthy lives. But of course, even though there are some treatment for HIV infections, we're not just going to take it. Of course, we have to take care of ourselves and respect our bodies. So that's it for my video about HIV and AIDS advocacy campaign. Thank you for listening, and stay safe everyone.